Ever wondered how our body produces energy? It's a complex process, and it all starts with something called the Kreb cycle. This crucial metabolic pathway is like an energy factory, tirelessly working to power our every move. It begins with a molecule called Pyruvate, a product of glucose breakdown, and concludes with oxaloacetic acid, ready to kick off the cycle again. Intriguingly, it's a journey of transformation, producing energy-rich molecules along the way. Now, let's dive into this fascinating cycle and see how it works step by step. The Kreb cycle kicks off with pyruvate, a product of glucose metabolism. Picture this. Pyruvate, a 3-carbon molecule, strides into the mitochondrial matrix where it's promptly transformed. It meets with a complex of enzymes and, in a swift move, one carbon is cleaved off, forming carbon dioxide, which we exhale. What remains is a 2-carbon compound. But wait, there's more. Coenzyme A, a vital player in this metabolic dance, swoops in and binds with this 2-carbon compound. The result? Acetyl coenzyme A, a molecule ready to take on the Kreb cycle, carrying with it the potential energy of glucose, waiting to be unleashed. With the formation of acetyl-CoA, the stage is set for the next steps of the Kreb cycle. The acetyl-CoA then combines with oxaloacetic acid to form citric acid. This reaction kickstarts the next phase of our energy-generating journey. As this citric acid undergoes a series of transformations, it eventually morphs into alpha-ketoglutarate acid. Now here's where things get interesting. The alpha-ketoglutarate acid doesn't just sit idle. It's actively involved in releasing a molecule of carbon dioxide and forming NADH2, a vital energy-carrying molecule. But the transformation doesn't stop here. The alpha-ketoglutarate acid then undergoes further changes and ultimately becomes succinic acid, releasing another molecule of carbon dioxide and forming an additional NADH2. These reactions are crucial in our energy production process. As we move forward, the cycle continues with succinic acid at the helm. From succinic acid, the cycle progresses to fumaric acid, then to malic acid, and finally back to oxaloacetic acid. Let's break it down. Succinic acid is converted to fumaric acid with the help of succinate dehydrogenase, generating one H2 molecule. Fumaric acid then transforms into malic acid by adding a water molecule. Finally, malic acid is converted back to oxaloacetic acid, producing one NADH molecule in the process. Now, remember, each glucose molecule is split into 2 pyruvate molecules at the beginning of cellular respiration, meaning the Kreb cycle happens twice. So for every glucose molecule, we get 2 ATP, 6 NADH, and 2 FAD2 molecules directly from this cycle. When these are later used in the electron transport chain, they generate about 34 ATP molecules. So to sum up, the Kreb cycle is a metabolic marvel that keeps our bodies running by producing vast amounts of energy. It's a process that truly is at the heart of life.